Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, different data types in Dart. Dart is a powerful programming language that's widely used for developing mobile, web, and desktop applications. Understanding data types is fundamental to writing efficient and error-free code. So, let's dive right in. Here we mainly focus on 9 data types in Dart. 1. Int. 2. Double. 3. Number. 4. String. 5. Bool. 6. VAR. 7. Dynamic. 8. List. 9. Map. Here let's look at int data type. In Dart, the data type is used to store whole numbers. It represents integers without any fractional or decimal parts. You can declare an int variable and assign it a value. For example, now let's look at double data type in Dart. The double data type in Dart is used to store decimal numbers. It represents numbers with fractional parts. For example, now let's look at number data type in Dart. In Dart, the number data type is a superclass of both int and double. It represents all kinds of numbers, including integers and floating point numbers. The number type is useful in situations where you want to work with both whole numbers and decimal numbers, without explicitly specifying whether the value will be an int or a double. For example, now let's look at string data type in Dart. The string data type is used to store and manipulate textual data, such as names, messages, or any other piece of text. Strings are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once they are created. For example, now let's look at bool data type in Dart. A bool data type is the data type in Dart that can only take 2 values, true or false. Booleans are used to represent logical conditions and make decisions based on those conditions in programming. To declare a bool variable, you use the bool keyword followed by the variable name and an optional initial value. For example, now let's look at VAR data type in Dart. The VAR keyword is used for declaring variables without specifying their types explicitly. Dart infers the type based on the value assigned to the variable. The type of a VAR variable can change at runtime based on the assigned. For example, now let's look at dynamic data type in Dart. The dynamic keyword is used for declaring variables that can hold values of any type. It allows you to bypass type checks during compile time, but still performs runtime type checking. This flexibility comes at the cost of potentially losing some of the benefits of static typing. For example, now let's look at list data type in Dart. The list data type represents an ordered collection of objects of the same type. It is similar to an array in other programming languages. Lists in Dart are zero-indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0. You can add, modify, or remove elements from a list. For example, now let's look at map data type in Dart. The map data type represents a collection of key value pairs. Each key in a map must be unique, and the keys and values can be of any type. Maps are sometimes referred to as dictionaries or hash tables. For example, thank you for watching our video. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.